2006 Jetta needs front blinkers. Champion bulbs, 1156. Boom. Pretty sweet. That one works. That one needs to be replaced. And so you do them in pairs, so they both need to be replaced, and we're gonna figure this out. And it's pretty super easy. Figure this out. It's right under. If I can find it. Let's see it. Here, it's right there. See that? So underneath your main, or that's your high beam, low beam, high beam, right here. It's just it comes right out. That's the driver's side. Passenger side is the same. Right underneath. Boom, easy peasy. So yeah, it's that easy. You just push down and turn to get the bulbs in and out of the little coupling there. They have to spin in a certain way. If you spin them in and they don't work, you take them out, turn it 90 degrees, spin it in again, and it should work for you. Serious question. Comment in the section below. Is a Jetta a chick car? Right? A girl's car? Is it? I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm not judging, all right? I'm in a minivan. I'm not trying to shame anyone, but seriously, is a Volkswagen Jetta a chick car? Comment below. Did the video help? You know what to do. Do that. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video?